Trash is a global crisis. The US alone produces 268 million tons of waste per year. Only 9% of plastic actually gets recycled. And landfills? They're filling up fast. But one country found a solution: Sweden. Instead of just dumping their waste, Sweden burns it. Not in some post-apocalyptic pollution-spewing nightmare, but in a high-tech waste-to-energy system that powers entire cities. Here's how it works. Instead of going to a landfill, household waste goes straight to incineration plants. About 99% of Sweden's trash avoids landfills entirely. Step 2. Burning the trash. Inside the plant, garbage is burned at over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit or 1,000 degrees Celsius. This produces steam, which drives turbines, creating electricity and heat. Burning waste for power. So Sweden basically made landfills useful, and my dumpster fire of a life remains unaffected. Step 3. Powering the city. This energy heats homes, powers buildings, and even fuels public transportation. 50% of Sweden's district heating system runs on waste energy. And the best part? Sweden does this with almost no pollution. Modern waste-to-energy plants filter out toxic emissions, removing 99.9% of harmful particles. So instead of filling up landfills, Sweden is turning trash into energy, and profiting from it. Here's where things get really weird. Sweden got so good at waste-to-energy that by 2016, they ran out of trash. And because their energy grid depended on burning garbage, they needed more. So what did they do? They started importing trash from Norway, the UK, and even Italy. Countries pay Sweden to take their trash, and Sweden turns it into energy. Yes, you heard that right. Sweden gets paid to take garbage, and then makes money selling the energy. Imagine making money just by accepting trash. If only my email inbox worked the same way. Now you might be thinking, this is genius. Why don't all countries do this? Well, it's complicated. While Europe has over 450 waste-to-energy plants, the US only has 76, and most are underfunded or outdated. Why? Landfills are cheap, so most cities just dump trash instead. It also has a bad reputation. People assume burning trash means toxic pollution. Politics and regulations also play a role. Building new plants takes years and millions in approval costs. But some cities are trying. Copenhagen built a waste-to-energy plant with a ski slope on top. Singapore burns almost all its trash, reducing landfill use by 90%. Tokyo runs 21 waste-to-energy plants, making it one of the cleanest megacities. Waste-to-energy isn't perfect, but it's better than landfills, which leak toxic chemicals and produce methane, one of the worst greenhouse gases. And in a world drowning in garbage, burning trash for power might be a necessary step. Because at the end of the day, if we're gonna throw stuff away, we might as well get something useful out of it. So, what do you think? Should more cities burn trash for energy? Or is this just another band-aid solution for a bigger problem? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories about the future of engineering and energy.